It's my bet that you've caught yourself saying, I'll try instead of I will. It seems like such a small shift, right? But the words that we use can not only change how people perceive you, but how you perceive yourself. Recently, I was working with someone who always said, I'll try and get that done. And when they were committing to the task, at first it seemed quite harmless, but over time, people around them started to doubt whether or not things would actually happen. That one little phrase, I'll try, created a heap of uncertainty, and it left the door open for excuses, delays, and a lack of accountability. So we made one small change. Instead of saying things like, I'll try, they started saying, I will, or this will be done by insert deadline here. Not only did their confidence increase, but their team around them became more engaged and accountability improved. A simple process of shifting their words changed how they showed up and how others responded to them. And it's not just about leadership. You see, the words we use every day shape how we think, how we feel, and how we act. So imagine swapping I have to for I get to. Instead of I have to give a presentation, try I get to share my experience with my team. These small tweaks change you from an obligation to an opportunity, or I should versus I choose to. Instead of saying I should start exercising, say I choose to make my health a priority. When you own your choices, you step into a position of control. You're not just reacting to life, you're actually leading it. Now think about the impact that this has on those around you. If you're a leader, a parent, a mentor, your words will set the tone because people mirror the language that they hear. And when you speak with clarity and conviction, you inspire trust and action. So here's my challenge for you today. Pay attention to your language. Swap out things like I'll try for I will. Replace I have to with I get to. Choose I am over I'm just. Small words can create a really big impact. So use them intentionally and you will see the difference. Not just in your leadership, but in all your conversations, in your mindset, and also in your confidence. Let me know in the comments what's one word or one phrase that you're going to shift today. And until we meet again, be well and be empowered. Bye for now, team.